obviously that guy right there, Adam Cianciarulo, being retired now, can do all the fun things he wants to do. That includes being on the broadcast, just riding for fun, and now it's also being the Grand Marshal at Loretta's, with him saying, quote, I'm a Grand Marshal at Loretta's tomorrow, which basically means I chauffeur the other riders around the track for the first lap of practice. I'll be riding a stock 250, but I've specifically asked for a paddle tire in case any of the kids want the smoke. Please respect your elders. And you gotta say, he's definitely one of the best personalities the sport has had for a long time. And when you can do all these fun things that just like the PR stuff, the social media stuff, the fun podcast, whatever else he's doing on the side, it's kind of cool. And especially when it's non-serious. He doesn't have to worry about training super hard. He can just be fun. Um, I personally have always liked him. You know, sad to see that he had so many injuries in his career that the I don't know you want to call it the super amateur career he had didn't translate into 450s or 250s or 450s really, but if you can do the fun stuff like this now, be on the broadcast, have his own podcast, he can be kind of just a personality that the sport likes. I mean, I think globally, generally, he's probably a very liked guy. I don't, you never hear anything just like negative about him. So if he can do all the fun things and still be like involved in sport on I don't know, on the side of, or it's just cool. You know, he can just be a fun guy and have like all the cool things that he's earned. Let's put it that way. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Are you watching Loretta's? Do you pay attention to any of this stuff? Are you going to Loretta's to watch the race, or are you part of it? Maybe I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.